Leaving at 6, aaj half day hai kya? Have you heard that before? So that's 59 of 100 everyday stories. And today I'm going to talk about something that used to happen at the PR agency that I used to work at from 2006 to 2014. So a lot of people in the PR agency used to work really late, and that was like the norm. But there were some people, both boys and girls, who used to leave on time. Some of the girls would want to leave on time because they, of course, used to live in far off Mumbai suburbs. So for them, leaving on time meant that they would get home on time. There were others who believed in getting their work done and, work during work hours and do other things during the rest. But I was one of the biggest culprits. Culprits in what way? I used to sit close to the exit of the office, and me and my dear colleague, I'll not name him, we used to say whenever somebody used to leave at 6 p.m. That, hey, wah, aaj to 6 baje you're going home. Must be a half day or something like that. And that would really embarrass the person. And when I look back at this now, I feel so embarrassed with myself because over time, of course, age, my partner, younger colleagues, social media, and even media have taught me better that when you make people sit back and celebrate that, that is how you're making your organization inefficient. So if I could go back in time and go back to the same seat where I used to sit, this time I would do things differently. I would look at the person who's leaving on time, completing their work and leaving on time, or even before time, and I would applaud for that person because that person is the right standard for the organization to follow. So here's a reminder for all of you, for people who are still working in offices, that if you see a colleague who's leaving on time after completing their work, remember that they are an asset to the organization and not you. So the best thing to do is to celebrate them and try to become like them. And for all the people that I embarrassed when I was working at the PR agency, I'm sorry. And that's my story for today. I'll see you in the next story tomorrow.